Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. Okay, we're in the house for a minute. Garage is cold. I wasn't planning on working today. It is the day after Thanksgiving. Suppose I had to check them all in. We have got a set of wires. Good. We have got nylon timing gear. I am the one that invented this, not the gear. 7.5 degree advanced. I invented that. I was drilling my own holes, and it comes with the nut. That's cool. Yeah, I was doing these, and everything on my table at the flea market, Donnie Lang came over and looked at and said, I'm going to do that too, but I'm going to charge them $10 less than you. So that was the end of my gear making days. What do we got here? We got lots of stuff here. We have got manifold gaskets. Good. We have got pan washer, band nut, band washer, cam seal, and a front mount, because his front mount was chewed up, if you remember. If you don't remember, go on back and on camera. Crankshaft seal. We have these starter bendix. We have rivets for the bands. As soon as the band linings show up, we'll be able to do that. Now this was, remember I told you I thought the spring came with the kit? We got a washer. We got a new spring. We got a new bendix. This was in the last episode, I believe. And it comes with, I'll take them out of the bag and lose them in here. But it comes with the bendy washers and the bolts. Yep, and the key. So that's good. Let's take a look at this. Let's do exactly the same thing that we did in the last episode. And let's take a look at this. We have the little pin with this, where are we? We have the little pin with the spring on it. I know the light's not that great, but we have a fly in the house. This is not loose. This is a little bit loose, but not half as bad as the other one. And all the teeth. Let's look at the teeth. Yeah, every one's perfect. This end piece spins. Looks like this was made by somebody other than this and then added on. I'm not even sure how that, maybe there's some C-clips in here or something that get pounded in. I'm not even sure how this is attached, but oh, February 22 FEB 2 January. I don't know, there's a lot of stuff on there. This is something 15. Probably a patent date. Throw that all back in the bag so we don't lose that. It's good to have parts. Whoa! We're going to move that radiator up a little bit. These are for the earlier radiators, but his is rubbing the frame, so we can't have that. Band nuts and a pin and some springs. Those are long. Those are really long. Good, good, good. We have the notch for the clutch. We have the 3 washers that went shooting across the room. We got the dippers. Let's look at these. Of course they're in another bag. Okay, so these, I'm hoping there's enough light in here. See, these are welded on. Little welds. And then this is what broke off. The weld broke, this came out and wreaked havoc upon the engine. So that's good. We got those. We have a new pulley that is adjustable. So you put this on and then you tighten it up, pinches on so it doesn't rattle, and then the roll pin goes through so that doesn't rattle. Oh, there's some ASMR for you. I don't know why people get into that. They seem to like it. Here's some more ASMR for you. If I can ever find the inside of this. New 4th main. We're going new everything. We have new 40 over Hastings rings. We will see if those fit. If they don't, we'll be ordering the next size up and cutting them down. There is a 6-volt coil. Yeah. It's a new 6-volt coil for the distributor that hasn't arrived yet. It's on its way. What's that feeling? I swear I felt something move. It's not. And we have a new not bent exhaust manifold. This is kind of interesting. I'm seeing machine marks in the face. So that's needed. See, you gotta check it all. Did you hear that thump? This could have got thrown away. These are the pins. I ordered pins to put the pedals back on the shafts because that's an issue, and we're gonna resolve that. So we got lots of stuff to do. And last, there's a gasket set. Gasket set in there. Manifold. This casting's terrible too. Everything's sharp. What is going on? What is with this? What is going on with this world? Quality is just gone. Look at that, sharp down here. Look like they tried to grind that down too. I wonder if this is the same place that has those heads made. Giant pit. Was this welded? That's got to be the casting. The split between the two halves of the casting, but man, it looks like it's welded. Okay, well, we'll clean that up too. Gaskets in there. Everything back in the box, and we'll bring it out to the car. Band adjusting nut, slow speed notch, slow speed notch pin. We did not get the other side. We didn't get the other side of that. There's two halves to Well, there's two sides to everything, I guess. We did not get the other side of that. Okay, mounting pads, we got those. Looks like I'm making another order to Lang's today. Hand belt pulley, Bendix, core charge, wires, coil, clutch set back ordered, belt back ordered. We gotta get a, I can't do the clutch thingy without the other half of that. Okay. Alright, let's get this all packed up. Now we know what I gotta do today. Make another order. Another order. But we're getting there. We are getting there.